Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So we'd like to show you Mel is going to make his own cable for the solar to make it longer. So he bought this kit at Amazon. It has the MC4 connectors, and it comes with all the different connectors, the different things you might need. It comes in a package and with tool. And right there, Mel is connecting that one. He also bought his own cable wires. So there, squeeze it in. Use the tool. Let me see. Now it's all in there. Attach the connector. There you go. Tighten it up. With that other tool, the blue one, you can use that also to tighten the connections, just like that. And there you go. And show me the finished product. It's right there. So that's the other end, and he'll do the same thing on the other end. Get his tool to expose the edge. Get off. Cut the wire. To expose the inner lines, twist it around, and then grab your MC4 connector, open it up, plug it in, plug them in, just like that. Just the wires. And then get the inner connector, tighten it up with the tool that comes with it. All tight and secured. Then you can put the other end, and then twist it around to tighten it, to connect them all together. You can use the blue tool that come with it to tighten the whole thing, and twist it around, and until it won't go any further, and you know you're done tightening it up. So there you go. You have both ends completed. So if you can see, you have both the positive and the negative end all together. All right. Thank you for watching. next time. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.